Hi there, welcome to this fun and easy tutorial on how to draw a 3 layers birthday cake. Grab your pencil, paper and some colors and let's get started. First, let's begin with a straight line in the middle of the paper. It will the center of your cake. Now draw 6 vertical lines in 3 layers. It will the layer of the cake. Under this line, draw oval shapes. It will the top of each layers. Now add all the layers from top to bottom. Your basic cake shapes has been drawn. Now draw the bottom layer, add a slight curve to the top edges to make it look rounder, like a real cake. Now erase all above lines and create a realistic cake looks. Let's make this cake festive. Draw candles on the top tier. Start with straight lines for the candles and small flame shapes at the top. Add decoration like a sprinkles star pattern on each layer to make it unique. Times to make it delicious. Add wavy lines along the edge of each layer to represent frosting dripping down. Feel free to exaggerate the waves to make it look fun and tasty. Finally, give the cake a pop of color. Use your favorite colors to bring your birthday cake to life. Don't forget to color the frosting, candles, and decoration. Wow, great job! You have just drawn a beautiful 3-layer birthday cake. I hope you had fun following along. Don't forget to share your masterpiece with your friends and family. See you next time and more creative adventure. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye. See you soon.